what's poppin'? It's your girl Robin, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys this headband wig that I got from LuvMe Hair. It's super beautiful and super quick. This install is literally under 10 minutes, so it's perfect for somebody that's on a go. You need something cute to put on your head real quick and you don't have time to be messing with glues and all that stuff. This is the perfect wig for you. So we're about to get straight into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep watching. All right, y'all, so getting straight into the video. I already have my edges laid, and I just put a bald cap or like a wig cap over it just so it could contain my braids, because I do have braids in right now. I just did my edges and slicked the perimeter back so I could get ready to put on my headband wig. So this installation will be super easy. Like literally, it's a you don't have your hair done, you don't know how to do hair, and you need some hair on top of your head. This is what it is. So you just have the inside, which is just tracks, and then you have your headband. So I went ahead and attached, there's like a Velcro in the back. I went ahead and attached it. So I'm just about to go ahead and put the wig on. And it does have 3 combs. So it has like 2 on the sides and 1 in the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on, girl. All right, so I have placed the headband wig on my head, and now I'm just lining up the sides and making sure that my wig cap is covered. And I'm gonna go ahead and secure that comb in the back. All right, it doesn't feel very like secure on my head. I don't know, so I'm gonna try to be as gentle as I can, and I'm just gonna rake through. I should probably just use a brush. I'm gonna use a brush to brush through the curls. So this is what it's giving currently. I brushed it out because I wanted it to be like, I wanted it to be giving body yada 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 yada. That's what I wanted to be giving. So I'm gonna be using this mousse. It's called, I don't know what it's called, to be honest. Vig Roll. It just says curls and it has mousse. Yeah, I like to use this one for like deep wave hair. So that's what that side looks like. I didn't wet it because I don't want it to be like a wet look. I just wanted to put some of that mousse in there to kind of, I don't know, it just gives the hair a little flavor. And so I'm gonna go through and just do the same thing on the other side, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I'm gonna do next. So I just got done putting in this mousse. So now that we have that out the way, we have our headband wig secured. You saw how easy it was to put on. You throw some mousse in your hair, you already halfway out the door. But LuvMe Hair does give you 5 headbands to choose from. So I'm gonna be trying these on for you guys to let you guys see what they look like. Y'all be careful when you're changing your headbands. This is giving me cheer girls. Cause we are sisters, we stand together. Okay, that's what it's giving. All right, so I'm just gonna try to do some styles with the hair. So as you guys saw, this hair is literally so easy to install. It's literally like a 1-2 punch. You slick back your hair, or you have your braids in and you put your wig on and you're ready to go. The only thing about it is you need to be careful. Don't be going to no party with this headband wig, or going somewhere where like anything could tug on your hair, because it's not as secure as a lace glue install. You know, like it's not the same. This is not that. Let's be clear on that. This is not that. Now, before y'all saw my wig sliding off my head, but it's because like the Velcro is just not long enough for me to really pull it as tight as I needed to be on my head. So what I ended up doing is I ended up taking it off and unstrapping it, like taking it, tying it, and then Velcroing it so that it would just be tighter to my head. And once I did that, I did notice that like it's way more secure. Like I don't feel like it's going anywhere now, and I was able to secure that back comb in the back as well, so that gave me a little bit of extra security. But at the end of the day, don't be doing nothing crazy and expecting this to stay on your head, because it won't. But other than that, I absolutely love it. I love a good smack it on my head and run. I love that. And so that's definitely what I'm going to be doing in this wig, because it's that easy. When I don't want to put stress on my edges and my hairline, I can just go ahead and put this on. It's a good protective style if you want to do like braids underneath it or twist. And I think it's perfect for the girls that don't know how to do the lace and don't know how to do all that and don't want to do all that. So you can have the look, you can switch up your headbands to match your outfit, you can do everything that you need to do, and it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. The curls are really nice, and I just love it. I recommend this hair. I think you guys should get it. And that's all I have to say, girl. If you're interested in purchasing this hair, you guys can use my code. It'll be up on the screen and it'll be in the description box as well. Super cute. It's super easy, and it's just giving what it needs to give. So thank you, LuvMe Hair, for sending me this hair. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.